everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a bit different. I am actually packing because we're going away this Saturday for a week in Dorset. So it's just a staycation, nothing too extravagant because of coronavirus and COVID restrictions. We are just going in the UK and I thought I'd show you what I'm taking with me. Just putting it out there, excuse the way I look because right now it's the Saturday before I'm filming and it's boiling in the UK, which is good. I've got my swimming costume on because I've been in the pool. So yeah, excuse the way I look, but I wanted to get this done and so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to try and fit everything into just this hand luggage case. We shall see how this goes. Probably won't get everything in it, but I'll take a carrier bag as well to put stuff in. So this is the plan, putting it in here. Plan is, how we're gonna do this video is I'm gonna lay out the things that I'm gonna be taking. So like evening, swimwear, underwear. Nala's just coming in the door. You right, hun? Nala clearly wants to come with us. You hear her? What do you want? Nala's coming with, aren't you, Nala? Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. She wants to be famous, don't you? Say yes. Say yes, you two are. Come on then. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to put them into piles. So evening wear, like dresses, play suits. I don't know what way I'm deciding it yet. Pajamas and stuff like that, and then I'm going to show you what I've picked out to come with me. I'm going to go and do that and then I'll pick you up again. Okay, so this is the huge mess that's going on right now. So this is my evening tops. So I've got a little crop top, a top to go with these shorts, and then a shirt top. I might add to this. I'm going to look up the weather next week and see if it's what it's like. Got some leggings just in case, my day t-shirts, swimwear, which is over here, a little beachy two-piece, which is for during the day. Then I've got my evening play suits. These play suits I've worn, I just need to wash them, so they'll be coming with me. Cute little hat. And then I've also got a load of dresses, which I'm going to be taking. I've also got to put in 2 bags, but I've got to basically put all of this in here. That is also coming with me. And yeah, so this is a little cord that I've put together, which I think I'm going to take as well. So these shorts are coming, and then this top, which is actually a bodysuit. So that's the plan. Got to put this in, and yeah, I'll do a little try on for some of them, like the swimsuits and stuff, and yeah, to give you a vibe. I'm gonna put the evening stuff that you don't need to see in. So a pair of leggings, which I'm gonna just put here. These day tops you won't need to see, but I think I'm going to put them on top of the shorts pile actually. This is the beachy cord that I'm going to be taking. I absolutely love this. I've had this for years. It's from River Island, so they don't actually sell it anymore, but it's so comfy and I just love it. This is a swimsuit that I'm unsure whether to take. It says raised on champagne on it. Like, this was very in like a couple of years ago, but I've never worn it because it's quite like cheeky. And yeah, I'm not sure. It's a family holiday swimsuit. But let me know in the comments if I should take this with me or if I should leave it behind. I'm not sure. This is my favourite swimsuit of all time. I absolutely love this. I think I got this from Pink Boutique last year or the year before, and I love this. I think it's so flattering. Love the band, and yeah, love this swimsuit. So this one's definitely coming with me on this. Put on a bit of weight since then, but still looks good. This is a cute little cover up that I actually picked up from this year from Primark, and I absolutely love this. And I just, yeah, I think it's so dreamy, so flattering. You could even wear this as a dress, with some like white shorts under it. I just really like it. I think it's very me, very bougie, and it's like really flowy. You can have this open as well, so you don't have to have them, and I just really like it. Walking down the beach, it's got like beautiful detailing on the sleeves. But yeah, this is from Primark, and I thought this was really good for Primark. This little playsuit was from Boohoo a couple of years ago, so this one is definitely coming with me. I just think it's really flattering, really nice, really easy just to put on when I'm on hollybobs. Love it. This one's the last one I'm going to show you, so I'm going to just carry on packing now. But this one was from Zara last year. I don't know if you remember this trend. I absolutely love this playsuit, and it's just so easy, so cute. Love the sleeves, and it's like really cool for summer. So this one is definitely coming with. You're gonna have to just stay tuned for what else I bring with me on the vlog. You'll see that. So it won't be up next week because I am on holiday. It will be up the week of the 20th of April, I think. June, the 20th of June, that will be up. So yeah, if you want to see what I actually do wear, then I will put this vlog down below once it's live, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that's what I'm taking. I'm taking quite a lot of dresses, which I haven't shown you. I need to show you my shoes and stuff, and makeup stuff as well. So this is what it looks like with the majority of it packed. This side is like day stuff, this side is night stuff, then we've got the swimsuit stuff here. I am going to have to take another bag for makeup, skincare and all that stuff, and shoes and stuff like that, but most of it fit in here. Jewellery I'm going to put in this bit, and like underwear in this bit. And yeah, so that's pretty much that packed and ready for now, because I've still got a week, so I don't want to pack too much in there. I'm going to put my makeup that I want to take on the side so you can see it, and also my skincare products that I'm going to take. Okay, so this is the makeup that I'm going to be taking. I've got these, which I think are amazing if you don't have eyelash extensions. These PS sultry lashes. There's 5 in a pack and you get £5. They're really good. They're from Primark. And then I've also bought some stronger glue to wear because we're by the beach and it will get windy. Got 3 eyeshadow palettes. This one's just a Primark one, Huda Beauty Desert to Dusk, and then also Urban Decay Born to Run palettes. Got my brushes. I just need to add some eyeshadow brushes to that. Foundation, Instant Blur Body Foundation. Love this. Been using it a long time now. With my beauty blenders. And then Charlotte Tilbury concealer. Powder by e.l.f. Blush by Primark. Bronzer by Collection. Refi for the brows. I got this Freedom palette, but I might take the Revolution one. Better Than Sex mascara, and also e.l.f. eyeliner. So that's basically what I'll be taking. And then I'm also going to be taking this to put it all in. So that's makeup. And then for skincare, I'm going to take a couple of masks. So I've got this Spa Refreshing eye patches. These are from Superdrug. I also got Passion Peel Off mask. I'm only planning on doing like 1 or 2 masks during the week, and also Aurora mask. So I feel like I'm going to use the throwable masks for this holiday, and I think they're really good if you do want a little pamper session while you're away, just to take throwable masks so you don't have to worry about them. And then for day, I've got this Guerlain serum. It is Abel Royale Double R. Love this. This is my favourite day serum ever. Very expensive, but worth it. I'm also taking the Marine Cream by Hermes, just for that extra moisture. I'm also taking the cleansing balm by Elemis because I think this is a lifesaver when taking off makeup and stuff. So this will be a must-have. For night cream, I'm using the Elemis night cream, and then I'm also using the Luna Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley. This comes out blue, and I've been testing it for a while, and it's quite nice. I'm just not sure on the scent of it. I've got a cloth to wipe my face, and then I've also just taken this foot night mask because when you get on the sand, I feel like my feet just go gross. So I'm taking that, and I'm also taking the scroll just to get any dead skin off. I obviously wouldn't be going anywhere without my Aveeno because this is my obsession. And I'm also going to be taking the Vaseline Radiant moisturizer just because it's easy. You can just spray it on your body and you're good to go. For perfume, I'm just taking this Blossom perfume by Jo Malone. This I feel like is a good little product for the summer, and it's quite a light fragrance. And then if I want to have a bit more of a deeper fragrance, I'm also taking this Verez one. I don't actually know what it's called, but yeah, we're taking this as well. Jewellery, I'm just taking this little L'Occitane pouch, and this is where most of my jewellery is anyway for travel. So I'm just going to take pop a few more bits in there, and then that will be good to go as well. These are the pyjamas I will be taking. So they're actually got my name on them, and I actually love them. They're called Mrs. Pete. So I'm going to be taking these because I feel like it's going to be a hot one when we're away, which is good. I think I'm going to end this video here. I hope you liked it. I've pretty much packed everything that I'll be taking, as you've seen. And I just need to pack my shoes, which I'm only going to be taking pretty much flats, flip-flops, and also one pair of wedges for the evening. So that's me done pretty much. I will fake tan on Friday night, and then I'll be off on Saturday for the week. So this week I have got planned videos in between. I don't know what to do for Saturday. Let me know in the for Sunday, sorry. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a day in a life vlog of me doing like a glow up ready for holiday, or if you want to see something a bit different. Yeah, so basically kind of got stuff planned but kind of haven't. On the Wednesday when I'm away, I've definitely got planned. I've got a collab going on which will be good for you guys, so stick around for that. Make sure you subscribe so you get all the discount codes. And yeah, I'm gonna go because I need to finish packing and it's getting on a bit, so I'm gonna got hair. Look at the state of me. I haven't literally done anything with myself all day today. So I will be taking these play suits, as I already said. But yeah. So that's what I'm taking. I still need to pack underwear and stuff. But yeah, we're pretty much packed. And it's not all going to fit in that. It's not all going to fit in that suitcase. So like makeup and stuff is going to have to go in a different bag. So there we go. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you had a lovely Wednesday evening. I'm going to go and get prepared for holiday. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye!